In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Site. Backing up your site is a smart habit that protects your work and gives you peace of mind, whether you're preparing for a redesign, collaborating with a team, or just want a snapshot you can restore from later. I'll walk you through the process and explain what each choice means so you can pick the option that fits your needs. First, open your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're looking at the site you want to preserve. If you manage multiple sites, check the title at the top to confirm you're in the right place. It's also a good idea to make sure everything you want included is saved and published, especially if you've made recent edits. Next, click the settings gear icon. Depending on the version of Google Sites you're using, you'll see different menu labels. In some versions, you'll go to Manage Site, and in others, you'll see an Export Site option right away. If you're unsure which one to choose, look for the option that mentions exporting or managing the site's overall settings, not just page-level settings. The gear icon is typically at the top right of the editor, and it opens the controls for site-wide actions. From there, select either download or export to Google Drive. These choices do the same essential job, creating a backup, but in different places. If you choose download, your site is packaged into a file you can save directly on your computer. This is handy if you prefer offline archives, want to store it on an external drive, or need to share it outside your Google account. If you choose Export to Google Drive, the backup is saved inside your drive, which keeps everything in your Google ecosystem and makes it easy to share with collaborators who already use Drive. You can usually pick where in Drive the export goes, so consider placing it in a clearly labeled folder to keep things organized. Give the process a moment to complete. Larger sites with lots of pages or media can take longer. When it's done, verify that the backup is where you expect it to be. Either check your Downloads folder or the Drive location you selected. Keeping your backups labeled with the date can help you track versions over time. That's all you need to securely back up your Google site. By regularly repeating this quick process, you'll always have a reliable copy you can reference or restore from if needed. Thanks for watching and happy site building.